Imagine a world, our world, where the air we breathe is running thin, where the life-sustaining oxygen is depleting at an alarming rate. Indeed, this scenario sounds like a line straight out of a science fiction novel, doesn't it? But what if this fiction is inching closer to becoming our reality? Science has always shown us the way when we've been enveloped by the darkness of the unknown. So, it's only fitting that we turn to it as we ponder this thought-provoking question. Where do we go when Earth runs out of oxygen? Mars, our neighboring planet, has been a topic of fascination and speculation for centuries. Its crimson hue and proximity to Earth have led many to wonder, is Mars our next home? Astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson once said, "Mars is there, waiting to be reached." But the question arises, is reaching Mars the same as surviving on Mars? The Martian atmosphere is predominantly carbon dioxide, with traces of nitrogen and argon, and very little oxygen. So it's not exactly the oxygen-rich environment we're accustomed to. However, scientists have been exploring ways to make Mars more hospitable for human life. One such method is terraforming, a hypothetical process that involves modifying the atmosphere, temperature, and ecology of a planet to make it habitable. Elon Musk, the founder of SpaceX, once suggested that we could potentially warm up Mars by dropping thermonuclear bombs over its poles. Quite a drastic measure, but these are drastic times we're hypothesizing about, aren't they? Yet these are only theories and ideas, and the task of making Mars our second home remains a colossal challenge. As astrophysicist Dr. Michio Kaku points out, it's one thing to visit Mars, it's another to live there. So where does this leave us? In a place of uncertainty, yes, but also in a place of immense curiosity and the potential for groundbreaking discovery. The concept of interplanetary migration is a complex and multifaceted issue that requires thorough research and understanding. As we journey through this exploration, remember the words of Carl Sagan, "Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known." The quest to find a new home, whether it's Mars or another celestial body, is filled with countless unknowns. But it's within these unknowns that the greatest discoveries lie. Therefore, delve deeper into this topic, explore the possibilities, and be a part of this fascinating conversation. Because who knows, one day we might just find ourselves calling Mars, or another distant planet, home. And wouldn't that be an incredible chapter in the story of humanity?